driver. Go faster. Bring it straight. Right. A little bit to the driver. Look it up. Driver. Come on. Bring it up. Come on up. Driver. Alright, come on. Just keep coming. Let's get up out of there. Driver. I want you to bring it this way hard to the driver. Alright, stop right there, back up a little bit. Let's regroup and get it right through the center here. Yeah, that ram assist, you can look and steer just like this. Driver.
I'm rolling turn, so I don't want to hit that mountain.
No, I know. Alright, you can come up over that, I think. You'll be alright. Alright. You don't lit.
I can't. Hey.
Huh?
Sorry, go ahead.
You need to stay to, just bring it up right there, but keep the wheels this way. The wheels are always fighting to the passenger. You want to fight them to the driver. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the rocks are stronger.
Hey. Alright, now, co-driver. Come on. Now back it up for a minute. Back. Go. Turn your wheel, passenger. Back, stop. Turn it passenger. Look like you want this ledge right here. You're not. You're just barely turning a little bit. Come on. Back. Go back. Bring her up. Keep going. Straight on up. Okay. Straight. Straight up now. Straight. Straight. Bring it on up. Yeah. Up to there.
So how you feel, Jess?
Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
Hey, that woke you up, huh?
Yeah, me awake.
God damn.
Conquered the gatekeeper.
Stock first. No dents.
Jimmy, did you get pictures?
No, I forgot the cap was on there.